Okay, boys and girls, here we are. We're back in the car after lunch break. Here's our diagnostic port, which goes around there. Actually, I should probably just shove that down so nobody thinks it's part of the stereo system. Okay, there we go. It's out of the way. So, as you can tell, this is a complete nightmare. They cut some of the wires too short, so I'm going to have to repin. Not a major big deal, thank God. Some of them they left more than enough length on. We can get that all taken care of, so that's kind of cool, you know. But I need to get this done so that we can use the plug and play system of the factory harness connector so that we can tap into the factory harness and not have to run all new wires from the stereo system to every speaker, because it would cause me to have to undo from like there all the way across so that we could hide the wires. I'm sorry, there. So we could hide all the wires properly. So the new stereo that's going in is a DIN and a half, I think, is what they said they got. I'm not sure if it was a DIN and a half or a single DIN. But we're going to work on the wires today, get everything patched, repaired, heat shrink, lighter, connectors, so we can make this look pretty again like it's supposed to look. But okay, we'll give you guys an update as soon as I can. Okay, thanks guys. Bye-bye.